Traditional beverages like tea and coffee immediately come to mind when thinking of something warm and comforting to drink. But have you ever thought to spice up your tea? Clove tea is a delectable and aromatic beverage that not only satisfies your taste buds, but also offers a multitude of health benefits. Cloves in general have been part of Indian cooking for centuries. The aromatic and savory qualities of this spice are highly valued, but its medicinal and therapeutic qualities are also much sought after. Cloves are a healthy addition to your daily routine because of their high antioxidant content. Consuming cloves in any form is beneficial, and clove tea is one way to do so. Nothing beats a hot cup of tea in the morning to get the day started, as tea, in general, is a staple in our culture. Let's uncover the wonders of clove tea and how it can enhance your well-being when you drink it daily. But first, let's learn the origins of this magical spice. Cloves are the fragrant flower buds of the Syzygium aromaticum tree, which belongs to the Myrtaceae family. They are utilized as a flavoring, fragrance, or aroma in numerous commercial goods, including toothpaste, detergent, and cosmetics, and have their origins on Indonesia's Maluku Islands. Clove bud oil's powerful acidic flavor comes from the chemical eugenol, which is present in concentrations of 80 to 90%. Cloves are often used in Asian, African, Mediterranean, and Middle Eastern cooking to add flavor to fruit, meats, curries, and marinades. Cloves, among other spices, can be used to enhance the flavor and scent of a hot beverage. Sugar and lemon, for example, are common complements to them. Did you know that clove tea is an excellent remedy for seasonal diseases caused by viruses or bacteria? Here we'll go over some of the additional issues it can help with. In addition to boosting immunity and facilitating weight loss, let's begin. 1. Helps with sinus infections. Do you feel like there's a blockage in your chest or sinuses? Well, drinking a cup of warm clove tea, especially first thing in the morning, can help you get rid of infections and get immediate relief from sinus pain. Clove is an effective expectorant because it contains eugenol, which increases blood flow and helps loosen mucus. Compared to most fruits and vegetables, clove possesses greater antioxidant and antibacterial properties. Organic clove is effective at soothing moderate coughs and sore throats without the use of medication. Breathing easier is possible after inhaling the warm, aromatic steam from a cup of clove tea, which can help relieve irritation in the airways. 2. Boosts immunity and helps fevers. Clove tea is full of vitamins and minerals because it has a lot of magnesium and a lot of vitamin E and vitamin K. Because of its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, clove tea can protect against bacterial infections. Also, because it is an antipyretic, it lowers the body temperature and makes the immune system stronger. Clove tea can provide your immune system with the boost it needs to keep you healthy and resilient. 3. Increases blood flow. Clove tea has been shown to improve blood flow, which is essential to good health. Cloves have chemicals that promote circulation and increase blood flow. It is able to regulate both the temperature of the body and the metabolism, both of which have direct effects on the circulatory system of the human body. Drinking clove tea has been shown to improve organ function by increasing blood flow and oxygen to the tissues that make them up. 4. Relieves toothache. For centuries, people have turned to clove tea when they were experiencing dental problems. Cloves are an effective treatment for reducing gum inflammation due to their anti-inflammatory properties. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties help keep your mouth healthy and free of infections. To alleviate tooth pain, reduce gum inflammation, and freshen breath, try rinsing with lukewarm clove tea. 5. Possible stress reliever. Stress can have negative effects on our bodies and minds in today's fast-paced world. Clove tea's soothing effects are a lifesaver. Clove tea has a calming effect on the nervous system thanks to the scent and substances it contains to relax and find your inner zen. Sit back with a cup of clove tea. 6. May lower blood sugar levels. Cloves have shown promise in helping patients with diabetes and prediabetes. Clove may be useful in reducing fasting and postprandial blood sugar levels. The polyphenolic chemicals derived from clove tea aid in glucose control. Researchers found that healthy participants whose diets included a polyphenolic clove extract saw significant drops in blood sugar. 7. Helps fight cancer. Cancer patients may greatly benefit from drinking clove tea. While research into the potential anti-cancer effects of cloves is still in its infancy, preliminary evidence seems promising. Cloves have been demonstrated to be effective at killing multiple types of cancer cells in laboratory studies. One study found that cloves effectively eradicated colon cancer cells and inhibited their ability to multiply. In a separate study, cloves were found to be effective against breast cancer cell lines. According to additional research, cloves in a laboratory setting were able to kill 80% of esophageal cancer cells. More research is required before human trials of cloves may begin. 8. Aids in weight loss and improves digestion issues. It has been shown that drinking a cup of clove tea before a meal helps digestion by increasing the flow of saliva and blood. In addition to these benefits, drinking clove tea can help with indigestion and flatulence by stimulating gastric secretions and relieving stomach pain and acidity. This tea is also very effective at stopping nausea because of its anti-emetic qualities. Additionally, cloves have anti-inflammatory properties that may aid in reducing inflammation-related weight gain. The use of cloves has been linked to a decrease in fat cell size and consequent weight loss. Moreover, incorporating more spices into one's diet has been linked to a higher metabolic rate and more efficient fat burning. 9. Great nutritional supplement. As a seasoning, cloves offer significant health benefits. Vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin E in trace quantities are also present in powdered cloves. Additionally, it is a rich source of fiber. Vitamin C and eugenol are two antioxidants that have been shown to slow the beginning of chronic disease, and manganese is essential for healthy bone development. 10. Treats UTI. Evidence suggests that clove ethanolic extract can inhibit the growth of gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria responsible for urinary tract infections. Clove oil has been found to be effective against a wide variety of bacteria, including gram-negative organisms like Pseudomonas aeruginosa and gram-positive organisms like Streptococcus and Staphylococcus. Regular consumption of clove tea is necessary to experience the numerous advantages of clove oil. 11. Effective against intestinal parasites. Clove tea has been used historically to kill parasites in the digestive tract. Parasites are organisms that get their sustenance at the expense of or only because of their hosts. Intestinal parasites like this are common and can lead to a variety of unpleasant health problems. Cloves' anti-inflammatory properties make it a useful treatment for the stomach pain that can result from getting rid of parasites. 12. Reduces arthritis pain. If you suffer from the terrible pain of arthritis, try using a cold compress made of clove tea. Because cloves are powerful analgesics, drinking clove tea while applying cold compresses helps with joint pain, muscle soreness, edema, and ligament injuries. Arthritis sufferers can find relief from their discomfort by using the compress for 20 minutes, twice or 3 times a day. 13. Clears up acne. Studies have shown that clove extract, including ethanol and eugenol, suppress the inflammatory response and bacterial activity associated with the bacteria P. acnes. Because of its analgesic and antiseptic properties, the oil is ideal for treating skin infections and conditions such as acne. The oil aids in the removal of skin impurities, while also alleviating the pain associated with cystic acne such as acne vulgaris, whiteheads, and blackheads. As a result, it also aids in the removal of blackheads and whiteheads. 14. Prevents food poisoning. E. coli, salmonella, and listeria are common bacteria that can cause food poisoning, and the study found that clove tea, coupled with the essential oils from the bud, helped inhibit their growth. A review found that clove oil and the ingredient eugenol are better than potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate, and other chemical food preservatives in terms of how well they kill bacteria, how safe they are, and how they smell. Both clove oil and eugenol are beneficial due to their antimicrobial, antifungal and aromatic properties. 15. Natural disinfectant. Few people realize that cold clove tea can be used as an effective hand sanitizer. Just pour some clove tea into your palms and rub your fingers together. The resulting friction will help scrub away dirt and bacteria from the skin. Even more intriguing is the fact that, unlike commercially available hand sanitizer, it is natural and hence has no bad effects. 16. Helps with skin issues. Due to its high concentration of antibacterial compounds, clove tea is highly effective in the treatment of a wide range of skin conditions. Clove tea's volatile oils aid the body in flushing out toxins. It's effective at healing scrapes and abrasions. You can also use this tea as a topical antifungal to keep athlete's foot, ringworm, and other skin fungi at bay. 17. May improve sexual health. Men have long used clove oil to enhance their overall sexual performance. Regular consumption of clove tea may elevate testosterone levels and enhance blood circulation. As a result, this would boost libido and you would prevent premature ejaculation. It is well known that cloves can boost a man's libido and improve his sexual health. The Ayurvedic and Unani systems of medicine also acknowledge the possible benefits of cloves. It has been used to treat erectile dysfunction in men for quite some time. Eugenol, a component of clove essential oil, has been shown to improve erectile dysfunction in diabetic rats. Potential precaution. When used in reasonable quantities, cloves are a harmless spice. Cloves' ability to inhibit blood clotting should be of primary concern. If you are on blood-thinning medicine, you should not consume large doses of it without first consulting your doctor. Today we learned about all the good things that happen when you drink clove tea. Are you interested in knowing more about tips and tricks to shed pounds easily? Let's keep the conversation going with a couple more weight loss related videos. Shall we? Watch 16 healthy foods that help you lose the most weight. You may also try our video on 13 weight loss tips to get rid of your bloated belly fat. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about weight loss and nutrition. What other fruits should seniors eat? Let us know in the comments below.